on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?
Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a baby nest. I have everything we need right here: the ribbons, fiber filling, and the fabric. I've already cut the fabric according to the patterns. If you don't have a baby nest pattern, you can go to happysewing.com or you can draw one yourself. I use cotton fabric, so as a precaution I sew a zigzag seam around all the pattern pieces. I lay the fabric top against top to make the outer seam. That means that the fabric is inside out to hide the seam. I align it and use clips to keep them in place. I sew from the left bow to the right bow. I turn the fabric the right way out and start to work on the ribbons. I sew 2 of the 3 ribbons now. I sew both at once. The bottom ribbon is a decorative lace ribbon. I fold the white ribbon over the lace ribbon like this. The white ribbon is there to hold the silk ribbon in place. That's why I'm sewing it on both sides. I cut any excess lace ribbons before I sew the last seam. I make a seam here on both sides to keep the fiber filling away from the mattress. Then I'm pressing the mattress opening and I fold it on both sides.
They say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new.
Then I sew the seam all the way around the opening.
Oh, I wish it was me.
I apply a button with the prim wire pliers. I use the mattress piece as a guide for the inner seam. I measure it to be in the center of the nest. I fasten the mattress piece with pins. Then I sew around the mattress piece. Make sure to not sew over the opening.
Later it comes later, dear. For many of us, I promise you that we learn through the wrongs, and even the rough can be sweet. Just close your eyes.
I pull the silk ribbon through the nest with a safety pin.
Beauty lives in me.
I insert the mattress in the baby nest and start to fill the baby nest with fiber filling. I fill the front of the nest and work outwards. When I'm happy with the result, I close the opening.
It's gonna take some time to get there. I don't care.
All that is left is to tighten the baby nest. I cut and carefully burn the ends of the silk ribbon. The baby nest is complete. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and please consider to subscribe to my channel. Happy sewing!
Yeah.